Hello and welcome to Top Buy Lab. In this video, we're going to blow your mind with a collection of gadgets so ingenious and bold that you'll almost certainly want to own them. We're not talking about ordinary stuff. These are epic tools, secret weapons to conquer everyday life. Get ready for gadgets that not only solve problems, but also make you feel like the star of your own action movie. So, get comfortable because we're getting started. Have you ever needed a tool and not had one handy? With the 12 Sync tool, that will never be a problem again. This gadget is your faithful companion, whether as a belt buckle or attached to your backpack, boot, or leash. So no matter where you go, you'll always have a tool at your disposal. It features 12 essential tools from pliers, wire cutters, and scissors to screwdrivers, bottle openers, and a straight blade for cutting whatever comes your way. For only $59, you'll be the quick fix expert. If you hate being in the dark while reading, working, or doing anything with your hands full, the Light Neck will be your new best friend. This neck gives you hands-free lighting with 2 adjustable brightness levels and a flexible design that you can direct right where you need it. Its rechargeable battery provides hours of continuous light, perfect for reading, knitting, repairing something, or even camping without relying on an awkward flashlight. It's lightweight, comfortable, and so portable that you can take it anywhere. For only $26, you'll always have the perfect light with you. This clever opening tool reminds me of a classic pry bar. Completely safe to handle, its compact and practical design makes it ideal for carrying in your pocket or hanging on a keychain. Perfect for easily opening objects, cutting various materials, or performing practical tasks at any time, it becomes an indispensable companion. The Phoenix Soul Multi-Tool combines 8 functions in a compact design, making it a pocket-sized lifesaver. It includes a retractable flint for starting fires anywhere. Use the watertight compartment to store tinder and the serrated knife to cut firewood or food. It also features a wrench and screwdriver for quick repairs. Its LED light with a belt clip illuminates your path or sends distress signals over a kilometer away with its integrated whistle. This tiny camera doesn't take photos, but is addictive thanks to its 4-stage magnet design. Made of stainless steel and zirconium, or with a titanium shutter button, it offers a smooth, tactile experience. Weighing just 2 ounces and under 3 inches long, its butterfly locking mechanism secures the perforated blade. Ideal for cutting without material sticking. Snap Cut uses powerful neodymium magnets to attach keys, tools, or other objects to your belt or backpack. It incorporates a discreetly hidden blade in the magnetic system. Ideal for opening boxes or packages. The magnet can support up to 4 pounds of weight. It's a simple yet surprisingly effective solution to keep everything within reach. Clean drinking water is crucial in the wilderness, but carrying large containers adds weight. This compact personal filter removes 99% of bacteria and parasites through a microfiltration membrane as well as microplastics and turbidity. With proper maintenance, it provides up to 1,000 gallons of clean water. Lightweight and easy to use, it's ideal for hiking and camping. This tool combines 10 essential functions in a compact design that fits in your pocket. Spring-loaded pliers, scissors, 2 screwdrivers, blade, wire cutter, tweezers, file, and bottle opener. Its butterfly opening mechanism makes it easy to use, making it a reliable ally for daily tasks. Discover this wallet that combines elegance and functionality. Lightweight and slim, it holds up to 8 credit cards, cash, and keys, keeping everything organized for quick access. Made of stainless steel, it offers great durability and protection against card data theft with anti-theft technology. The Sharpal 6-in-1 is the ultimate gadget for those who always want to be prepared, whether in the kitchen, camping, or on a survival mission. With 6 functions in one device, you have everything you need in the palm of your hand. Tungsten carbide blades for quick sharpening, ceramic blades for a fine finish, a fire starter for emergencies, a high-volume whistle to call for help, and a diamond slot perfect for pointed tools such as fish hooks or needles. Compact, lightweight, and durable, it measures just 3.5 in and weighs 1.5 ounces. Ideal for carrying in any backpack or pocket. For only $10, this little titan ensures you'll never carry dull knives or lack style again. This gravity filtration system holds up to 270 ounces of water. Made from durable materials, it withstands bumps and scratches. Hang it on a tree or your RV and let gravity do the work. Optimized for high flow, it removes sand and mud without clogging, providing up to 500 gallons of portable water, ensuring safety against infections. Another compact tool, no bigger than a pen, includes a fire starter, quick repair tools, and a small container for items like medication. Simple but highly functional, this multi-tool features a directional flashlight bright enough to read in the dark, along with a screwdriver, package opener, and even a USB drive. Ideal for anyone who needs to stay prepared. The screwdriver works with standard 1/4 inch bits, includes a small fidget spinner on top. Starting a fire quickly is essential during survival situations. PromeTech is a compact, foldable tinder made from compressed cotton and a patented wax solution, allowing easy ignition and long-lasting flame. Even the wrapper can be used as tinder. This multifunction pen replaces an entire toolbox with 9 essential tools: a box cutter, ruler, bubble level, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a file, bottle opener, and a stylus for touchscreens, all inside a sleek metal body. For those needing multiple screwdriver bits, this leather case unrolls to reveal 13 durable bits for various screws and bolts. The included screwdriver has a textured handle for a solid grip and better force control. The Survival Belt 2.0 by Slide Belts is built for everyday carry and tough conditions. The buckle hides multiple tools, including an AUS-8 stainless steel knife with titanium nitride coating, a ferro rod fire starter that works even when wet, a small LED flashlight, a bottle opener, and a dual lever release system. The strap can be trimmed to fit waists up to 48 inches, withstands extreme tension, resists heat and water, and stays flexible even in freezing temperatures. The Metmo driver redefines versatility, capable of handling headless screws and precision drilling. In wrench mode with the arm extended, it delivers over 70 Newton-meters of torque. Compatible with standard hex bits, it adapts to countless accessories. Its ergonomic, durable design makes it essential for professionals and DIY users. The Home and Hadfield organizer keeps watches safe and displayed beautifully in an elegant walnut box. A fitted lid protects them from dust and scratches, and 4 internal supports keep straps in shape. A lower drawer stores glasses, wallets, jewelry, and other small accessories. Bull Bar is a portable gym you can set up in under a minute. Made of sturdy steel and supporting up to 136 kilograms, it allows pull-ups, dips, push-ups, and more. Auxiliary bars expand exercise options. The Pathfinder multi-tool includes rulers, hex bits, a bottle opener, pry bar, replaceable blade, nail file, and a built-in light. Compact and functional, it fits easily into a pocket or backpack. The Windler multi-tool fits the power of a full-size tool set in your pocket. It includes foldable pliers, a 2.9-inch knife, and scissors, all detachable through a magnetic closure for quick changes. This emergency blanket, made from NASA-grade reflective material, returns up to 90% of body heat, protecting against hypothermia. Waterproof, windproof, reusable, and compact. It's perfect for emergency kits. Monkey 360 is a resistance training system combining cardio and strength. With rotational and explosive movements like strikes, jumps, and twists, it develops control and coordination. Paired with an app and adjustable resistance, users can see results in just 21 days. This repair set includes 120 bits, a screwdriver, a flexible extension for tight spaces, and several extra tools ideal for garages and hobbyists. This 4-pound outdoor survival tool combines 23 functions. Made from martensitic stainless steel and aviation aluminum, it includes interchangeable handles and tools such as a knife, harpoon, whistle, shovel, axe, wire saw, and more. A storage bag keeps everything organized for travel. This LED strap system uses 2 strong magnets and a rubber surface to hold objects up to 8.8 pounds. A double-layer nylon strap with a quick-release hook secures items in any setting, from workshops to mountains. If you work in a garage, this magnetic Bluetooth speaker attaches to metal surfaces and offers a 250-foot range with up to 32 hours of playback. This grenade-shaped survival kit contains 33 tools wrapped in 45 inches of high-quality paracord. Lightweight and attachable to backpacks, it houses essentials like ropes, cutting tools, fire starters, and more. This bike repair kit prevents breakdowns from ruining rides. It includes a valve core and spoke wrench, chain braking pliers, quick links, a valve stem cleaner, 8 magnetic bits, and a swiveling head for tight spaces. If your shirt collar shifts throughout the day, this magnetic collar stay system uses strong magnets to keep it perfectly in place for any button-up shirt. Designed to support 2 or more people for 72 hours, this emergency backpack includes a phone charger, radio, crank-powered flashlight, and 95 masks, a water filter, protective goggles, zip ties, multi-tool, cord, knife, first aid kit, blanket, gloves, and hand warmers, ready for any crisis. For trekking, this aluminum hiking pole includes 6 integrated tools such as a knife, saw, and fire starter. Interchangeable handles let you customize it, while the pole provides stability and reduces knee strain. This bourbon shelf, made from recycled whiskey barrels, stores bottles securely and stylishly. It includes a latch for a padlock and features a strong, rustic design. The Typhoon Match Kit includes windproof, waterproof matches that burn up to 30 seconds. Stored in a waterproof tube with an ignition pad. The Hypershell Omega exoskeleton is ultralight at just 3.9 pounds and can offset up to 66 pounds of load. With sensors and motion learning technology, it adapts to your movements to make hiking, climbing, and running easier. Inspired by futuristic design, this flashlight includes multiple lighting modes, emergency features, and a decorative ambient base light. It even includes built-in fidget elements like a clicker and spinning wheel, and the case can be worn as a necklace. This multi-tool combines 5 interchangeable accessories: a high-carbon steel axe with sheath, a curved saw with spare blade, a shovel, a heavy-duty hammer, and a hook for lifting hot pots or opening bottles. This sleek magnetic screwdriver uses neodymium magnets to hold bits and screws securely. It's double-sided, retractable, compatible with standard hex bits, and can convert into a socket wrench. These earphones offer low-latency Bluetooth audio with crisp sound, deep bass, and up to 10 hours of battery life, perfect for long use. This compact carabiner includes 11 tools: a stake puller, match striker, ferro rod, multiple cutters, a ruler, and a file. This digital tape measure provides fast and accurate measurements. It shows readings on the steel tape, on a digital screen, and with a green laser projection. It saves measurements automatically and syncs with a mobile app to manage projects and designs. These earphones include an integrated battery-level display and a rugged design strong enough to double as a bottle opener. This high-powered crossbow fires at 380 feet per second and comes with a scope, quiver, arrows, cocking device, and safety features like an arrow retainer. The great advantage of this organizer is its optimized internal design. On one side, it includes an A5 size notebook and a metal pen that attaches magnetically. On the other side, multiple slots hold cards, wireless earphones, and other essentials. A foldable stand allows you to take video calls comfortably, and the built-in wireless charger with 2 USB ports powers up with a single button, keeping all your devices ready whenever you need them. Considered one of the best electric bikes on the market, it comes in models ranging from 250 to 5,000 watts, reaching speeds from 15 to 55 miles per hour depending on configuration. With a range of up to 200 miles, it includes a 270-degree storage compartment, GPS tracking, a wheel lock function, and an integrated display that enhances convenience and functionality. Thanks for watching Top by Lab. If you enjoyed these awesome gadgets, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech and product reviews. Drop a comment below telling us which gadget was your favorite. We reply to everyone.